Good morning children. I hope class 9th children are watching this video and I hope you must be keeping well. Today in this class we are going to see mensuration. Last day already we had discussed surface areas and volume, and in last class we had discussed about surface area of a right circular cylinder. So I don't think you might be having any problem. You must have revised properly as it was told from R.S. Agrawal. All the examples you must see. I hope you must have done. Today in this class we will see exercise 13.2. Here we have in exercise 13.2 we have first question. The curved surface area of a right circular cylinder of a height 14 centimeter is 88 centimeters square. So it should be centimeters square. Here we will have 88 centimeters square. Again you see the curved surface area of a right circular cylinder of a height 14 centimeter is 88 centimeters square. Find the diameter of the base of the cylinder. We need to find out the diameter of the base of the cylinder. So how we will solve, just you see. First you try to make a figure as it has been given. Here we have, suppose this is a cylinder. Suppose this is a cylinder in this way. This is the base. In this way we need to draw in proper way. And what has been given, that you see. The curved surface area of a right circular cylinder of a height 14 centimeter means this height has been given 14 centimeter and this is the height. This height has been given, that is of 14 centimeter, and curved surface area of a right circular cylinder. Curved surface area has been given 88 centimeters square. Find the diameter of the base of the cylinder. You need to find out the diameter of the base of the cylinder. This D you need to find out. So how we will proceed, just you see. Here we will write suppose here we will write first. Suppose what we will write, suppose R be the radius, and H be the height of the given cylinder or of the given right circular cylinder. We will write right circular cylinder. Then what has been given? We will write now. It has been given that the curved surface area of a right circular, here we will write curved surface area of a right circular cylinder is equal to 2 pi RH, and this has been given 2 pi RH. It means the curved surface area of a right circular cylinder, that has been given. So here we will write, therefore 2 pi RH is equal to 88 has been given. Now 2 into pi we will put to 22 by 7 into R we don't know, H we know, that is 14 is equal to 88. Now here you see 2 into 22 by 7 into R into 14 is equal to 88 we have. We need to find out R over here. So we will write R is equal to 88 into 7 and divided by 2 into 22 into 14. Now you simplify this. 11 2 ja 22, 11 8 ja 88, then 2 4 ja 8 and 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 7 ja 14 and 7 1 ja 7. So finally you have got 1. So here we will write or R is equal to 1 centimeter. What we have to find out? We have to find out the diameter of the base of the cylinder. So we will write over here, therefore the diameter of the base of the cylinder is equal to, that will be 2R, it means 2 into 1, it means 2 centimeter, and this will be our answer. So what we did, just you see, first you need to see your question properly, you need to try to understand your question. You plot the figure so that easily you will understand. Here you see we had a question, the curved surface area of a right circular cylinder of a height 14 cm 88 cm square. We had to find out the diameter of the base of the cylinder. So we have drawn the figure, height has been given and curved surface area was given. We had to find out diameter. Just you put the formula 2 pi r is equal to 88 and h we know, r we had to find out. So r we have got 1 and diameter we know, that is 2 into r. So finally we have got our answer 2 centimeter. Question we will see, we have second question. It is required to make a closed cylinder tank of height 1 meter and base diameter 140 centimeter from a metal sheet. How many square meters of the sheet are required for the same? So easy question it is, just you try to understand how it will be done, how it will be solved. Here you see, it is required to make a closed cylindrical tank of one height should be 1 meter. Suppose just you draw a figure so that you will understand properly. Suppose this will be your cylinder in this way, right circular cylinder you need to draw. Suppose this is your cylinder. So it is required to make a closed cylindrical tank of height 1 meter. Height should be 1 meter. This is the height. And base diameter is 140 centimeter. This diameter is 140 centimeter. Just you see, this has been given in meter, height has been given in meter, and base has been given in centimeter. So either you change centimeter into meter or meter into centimeter as you wish. How many square meters of the sheets are required for the same? It means you need to find out total surface area of the cylinder. So we will write, here we will write, suppose the height of the cylinder, the height of the cylinder is equal to h, and that is equal to 1 meter, and radius of the cylinder, radius is equal to r, and that is equal to 140 by 2, because diameter has been given, as in question it has been given d is equal to 140, so this will be 140 by 2, and since this is in meter you need to convert this in, since this is in centimeter you need to convert into meter, so we will write divided by 100. So finally you will get 0 and 0 will be cancelled, 2 7 ja 14, so this will be 0.7 meter. Now here we will write now what we will write? Total surface area. Total surface area of the cylinder, that will be equal to, as we know, total surface area of the cylinder is equal to 2 pi r plus h. So this will be 2 into 22/7 into r is equal to 0.7, and again 0.7 and plus 1. So this will be 2 into 22/7 into 7/10 we can write, and this will be 1 plus 0.7 means 1.7, or we can write 17/10 as you wish. Then we will write, here you see this 7 and 7 will be cancelled, and then you multiply this, 2 to the 4 and 2 to the 4, 44 you will be having. So you will multiply 44 and 17. 17 4 the 68, 6 you will have, and again 68 and 6 will be 74. So you will get 748 divided by 100, or it can be written as 7.48 meters square. So finally you will write answer. Hence the sheet required for the cylinder will be equal to 7.48 meter square, and this will be your answer. So in this way, this question was so easy. So in this way, just you go through rest of the questions and try to solve. And before this, as it was told, from R.S. Agrawal's sample questions might be there that you go through, so easily you will be able to understand and easily you will be able to solve. So rest of the question you try by yourself. Otherwise, we will see in next class. Until then, thank you.